Colors on me, left and right. Glock 9 put him out like a light.
Coop tenor like a thief in the night.
Gang on, you don't put up a fight. Fuck on your bitch, I might. Colors on me, pretty sight, it's light.
What'd you say, gang? It might ruin your life.
Huh? I just might make her my wife. Psych!
My name is Kusuo Saiki, and I have psychic superpowers. At least I can sit out the rest of the game now. Yeah, I'm not going. How many times are we gonna repeat this? Just leave me alone.
Holy crap, he's dumb.
Anyway, the kid's all yours. I'm out of here. The end.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay.
Emma. Okay, I'll play it. We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band.
I recognize this song.
You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had a bit of do, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
Baka.
Take that back, Leorio! I said take it back. It's Mr. Leorio.
Kurapika is now drowning in an indescribable emptiness.
My name is not Five Weenies. I am Shoto from UA, and I want to be a hero. My father, Endeavor, is currently the #1 hero, but to be frank, I've always hated him and want to forge my own path in the world of pros.
What is this? A character introduction page? Come on!
So I felt
so boring. Journal fail!
Sorry.
That was a nice try!
I haven't a clue what's going on here, but I'll act like I do.
Susa!
Before I get rid of the police. What do you think of that, El? This is my perfect victory! That's right! I win!
Take it back, Leorio. I said take it back! Hose on me, left and right. Hey. Glock 9 put him out like a light. Yeah. Cooped in it like a thief in the night. Huh? Gang on, he don't put up a fight. Fuck on your bitch, I might. Hey. Colors on me, pretty sight, it's a light. What you say, Crollo? They'll fuck up your life? What? I just might make her my wife. Psych.
And I'm not gonna let anyone get in my way. I'm a failure. After all that hard work. I'm sorry, All Might. I'm sorry, Mom. God, I've been falling for a long time.
Right. I haven't introduced myself. I'm Sungwoo. That's all I need to say. Trust me when I say this. I've got nothing to hide. You shouldn't be talking to strangers. And this is about to begin.
こんな肉だけ何を精神をだよ
Forward march, and here we go! Members of the agency Bakugo! Sound of ah! 私はクラピカ。その必要はなくなったよ。人に迷惑がかからない荒野がいいな。何が言いたい？お前の断末魔はうるさそうだ。旅団を止めたいと言ってたな。誰でもいい気分な。
Quit telling me to play the My Hero Academia opening. I've never seen that anime, so I can't... Quit telling me to play Sasagio. We all know that opening doesn't live up to the first opening of Attack on Titan. Why should I even bother? Quit telling me to play Bluebird from Naruto. I haven't seen much of that anime, so I can't...
Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day in a rain.